I know you probably had at least a couple of these issues when moving. There's stuff everywhere, there's no real organization yet, and cabinets are just filled with random things. Well, I definitely have since I just moved into a new apartment. So instead of going to the store and buying the things I need, like a normal person would, I turned to my 3D printers. I designed and also found a couple simple upgrades that solve a few of these problems. So let's just get right into it. The first thing we are going to design is a hook. I think all of you know what a hook is, so I'm not going to go too much into detail, but it's just a general hook going basically everywhere around the house. So here's the design process of said hook. So now that we got about that many hooks, I'll just remove these mouse ears and clean them up a little bit and use some double-sided tape for each. So I have this painting that I want to hang up on the wall, but we don't want to drill any holes into the wall because the wall is concrete. So what I decided to do is measure this. It's about 12 millimeters and make a holder for it. I was thinking to add a holder on each side and of course on the bottom. So let's move to FreeCAD and hang up the painting. So the next thing we need is some S-hooks for our kitchen to hang dish brushes and stuff like that. But since they are so common, I think I'm just gonna download, for example, this one and use that instead of designing it myself, since it's gonna be the same either way. So let's print this and hook some stuff. The next thing we need is a kitchen paper holder, and I found this one that's gonna fit our purpose just fine. So let's download this, print it, and put it to use. So one thing to solve was we have a lot of these spoons, spatulas, and other utensils. The problem is we really never had a proper place for them. So they just ended up sitting in a drawer somewhere or on the counter. So I jumped back to FreeCAD to design a solution for this. The next thing we're gonna need is a lid organizer, and I immediately found a couple good ones. So this one and then an adjustable one. So this one is for lids, of course, and then another one just for pans and pots and lids, and well, maybe not pots, but they're lids and maybe pans, I don't know, but we'll see. So let's print these two and organize some lids.
although this model, it came out okay, there's a couple things I didn't like about it. First of all, this slot that's made for the lids, it's very small. And of course all of my lids are not the same size, so this only works for the specific size as well, and others, well, even this one, even the small one doesn't fit. Kind of, but not really. Second, this part needs supports, and also there's a lot of wasted material here. So what I did is I made a better version, at least in my opinion. It has some drainage holes, way less material used, and it fits way more sizes. But let's put this to use and put this out of use.
So yeah, hopefully some of these prints gave you some ideas for solving your problems at home. If you end up printing any of these, let me know what you think of it, so maybe I can improve some of these designs. And also, if there's something that you would like to see next, feel free to suggest that as well. Anyways, I'll let you get on with your day, so thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.